Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, Assassins. Hopefully, you guys are excited about this Carvana play as much as me and my team are. We called this out a few days ago. I made a video only for this stock saying Carvana Short Squeeze is in progress. Looking at this, the overall 1 minute, this is just today's action where we basically had some type of resistance around this 37.49 level. And you guys can see that we basically rejected it. It's kind of like the same play every day. Every day she has some type of resistance. She struggles to break that resistance. And today we definitely jumped in. I was looking for a break and hold above today's opening price. The opening price of any stock is going to be a major trend change for the day. Kind of like the line, right, that you guys see on Robinhood, right? So the opening price for this stock today was around 37.39 around over here. And then so he's basically waiting for us to break above that 37.39. Typically, I put the opening price as a green dotted line, and you guys can see we started to hold above that level. But this morning we struggled to break above it, right? We kind of hit it this morning, and then we basically fell back. And then we basically, once we start to hold above it, that's when I start to look for long positions, especially if the RSI wasn't overbought. We basically start to hold above the previous resistance of 37.51, and that became our support, and the stock is actually holding above that level right now, right? So just in case you missed our previous video, jumping over towards that 1 year chart over here, you guys can see Carvana was originally traded at $58. The stock basically took a tumble from $58 to $3. A lot of short positions were basically filled over here where a lot of people are shorting Carvana thinking, hey, this is a bad business model, and overall the stock is going to end up going a lot lower. So that's what they're thinking. A lot of people from Wall Street Bets, a lot of people are seeing that, hey, this stock is a little bit more on the being shorted, and we should possibly try to pump this thing. So what you guys are seeing right now is we are starting to squeeze out the short sellers, and the stock is starting to push up. And also there's a lot of cool patterns going on right here, right? Not only that we were trading at a previous high, we came down, but this is becoming kind of like a gap fill pattern where the stock basically wants to fill this gap over here. It possibly wants to go up towards 58. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys think Carvana is going to go up to $58? This stock was, if you guys go to the 5 year, right? That's why it's always good to look at your larger charts. Look at the 5 year. This stock was trading at like 376 in 2021, right? And then it basically dropped to $3, and now the people are trying to pump this stock back up. You guys can see we're hitting 180-day highs. We're hitting basically daily highs. The stock is basically pushing up a lot higher, holding above our key basically trade lines over here, our EMA. So definitely want to watch to see how this stock progress. Like I said before, as long as this stock stays above the 20-day and the 180-day trade line, this blue line right here, these are my tools over here. That's over here, my moving average. So as long as it stays above that moving average, we're going to basically stay bullish, right? Until we basically break below that $35 point, right? Right now we're at 38, pushing up towards our 40s, pushing up towards those 50s. I'm going to remain bullish on the stock until we start to break below the trade line. Above the trade line, we're bullish. Below it, we're bearish, right? Even if the RSI is in the red, meaning, hey, this is a high risk trade. Make sure you guys use a stop loss because this is a high risk trade, right? I definitely traded this thing today. I'm not going to lie. I typically try to stay away from the smaller charts, but to catch this play, I have to go to the 5 minute. Sometimes as a trader, you have to be flexible, especially if you see a possible play, you see what's going on. But I've been day trading this thing. Some of my students are holding it. You never know with these type of pumps when the stock is going to basically give back its overall gains. But I got in on the 5 minute today. The 5 minute crossed over on the MACD, and we started to basically push up. And we're starting to continue to this upward trend right here. So let me know what you guys think. Are we going to reach those 1 year highs, right? We have that 1 year high of 58. Every day she's been basically trucking. Yesterday, she basically gave back some. She basically pulled back a little bit yesterday. Yesterday was 11th. You guys can see that yesterday we kind of pushed up and then we pulled back and we kind of stayed down here. And that was one of the major resistances that we needed to break this morning. Overall, she's about to make a new high. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I may look into getting into this thing a little bit later as well, especially as we get closer towards that $40 resistance level over here. We hit $43 $43 is going to be the next major resistance. And then we got to start pushing up towards 51, then 58. Right. So let me know what you guys think. She has earnings coming up. Earnings is next month on the 3rd, right? Typically, stocks like to run in a direction before their earnings. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But make sure you guys put this on your watch list. Peace.